wait. The breakfast in the microwave, I can't get it ready.
Nothing hungry now. Serious.
Want me to you?
I'm tired, babe.
You can't go back go sleep now?
Yeah, so I'm going through the exam questions and I need some questions that they can expound on. So what I'm gonna do is go through the paper and assess it, and then add 2 or 3 questions to it that will have them thinking. Right, you understand what I mean? Yeah man, the practical part is fine. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna do that now and then send it off to you. Alright? Yeah man, good.
You realize you're tired and not use for yourself? You mash up yourself, you know?
Babe, I feel like them beat me with a sledgehammer.
And you go work this evening, don't it?
Yeah, babe, I have to go. Me the only sous chef them have. And when the head chef work, him not gonna need me.
So what happened to me? Me not need you to? Ever hear say people kill work? Or work kill people?
Yeah, but at the end of the day, we need for work, we deal with bills, the shop and all our responsibilities, Tony.
But you have to pace yourself, Kareem. You're not fear go so hard. You're not even eat.
Tony, I don't run food every day, so when I smell it, it come like it full my belly. I don't know if I explain it, but I say it go. I'm not hungry.
Listen to me. You see if you get sick, the hospital did it. So still don't feed your body.
Oh, yourself, babes. Me I feel your body. The shop open?
No, I'm not open the shop. I have some things I deal with and Patsy now come today.
Yo, you think we'll forget somebody else because Patsy inconsistency I go cost me? What do you think?
Well, she make me know from early say she have her ear business I do, so she not go there every day.
Well, my she will get hectic with all of them food something here, and then here she will get hectic with so much dancing. Walk around the shop breeze. One to hear big woman friend, Miss Bubbles. She don't want to work.
Wait, you're a comedian? A joke you try again? The woman a police, she have her own work, Kareem.
So how me never seen her no police uniform yet? Me no see she touch no road. The police station there yard.
Kareem, she's a special agent. She know wear uniform.
You mean like special force? And she got Afghanistan and them place there? That means that she was bad.
Me don't know if she bad. All me know she's a special agent.
Alright, back to business, babe. Me really think if I try to get somebody permanent for working at the shop.
Me go look into it, cause that's true. The dance program, it'll grow more, so make a holiday here.
Alright, perfect idea, babe. They can make Patsy tell the days them shall go there and then get somebody fill in the rest of days there.
Alright, me go talk to her about it.